Hi guys, this is Mickey from The Modern Agent. I'm currently standing in apartment 3A at 1894 Pacific Street in Brooklyn, New York. Let's take a look. I'm currently standing in front of the kitchen. The kitchen has this open island. There's this nice large white countertop. You can put bar stools on one end. There is a sink as well on the other end. And there is storage underneath this entire island, including the dishwasher. On the other end of the kitchen is the double door refrigerator. There's a double freezer and storage throughout the entire space. Next to it is the oven, the gas stovetop, and the microwave. And again, you can see there's a lot of storage throughout. Adjoining the kitchen is the living room. The living room has great sunlight, high ceilings, a split AC, and it has this nice white wooden floors. This is a brand new construction building, and no one has ever lived in this apartment before. Over here you'll see nice open sky views, as this apartment is located on a low-lying street, so you do get nice sky views. Today's a beautiful day actually. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the apartment. Adjoining the hallway entrance is the bathroom. The bathroom has heated floors. It has a nice deep soaking tub and rain shower, and it has a vanity with storage underneath, and behind the mirror as well there is additional storage. As we head to the other end of the apartment, there is a coat closet. It has the intercom system, and then back here is the bedroom. The bedroom faces the same exposure as the living room, and it can fit a queen-size bed, and it has the closet on one end, and again it has the split ACs as well. There you have it. This is a preview of 1894 Pacific Street, apartment 3A. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I look forward to speaking to you. Have a good one. Bye.